Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bots to your channel on Telegram. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number and login code. After logging into your account, if you wish to add a bot into your group or channel, go ahead and open up your channel first. Once you have your channel opened up, tap on the channel name and you will see various different options. Go ahead and tap on administrators and you can tap on the add admin option in order to add your administrator. Simply tap on the search icon at the top right and now search for your desired bot. Once you find your bot that you want to add, simply tap on the bot name and you will be allowed to set up the permissions. Make sure that the last permission is not turned on and modify your settings based on your needs. You can then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and the bot that you just selected will successfully be added to your channel or group as an administrator. And now you can see that the bot has already been activated and it is starting its work. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add bots onto your channel on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.